Have you ever felt like no matter what you say, your loved one doesn't really see your worth? Sometimes words aren't enough. The most powerful way to show your value is through actions. Silent actions that speak louder than any promise. Today, I'll share 9 silent actions that will make your loved one truly recognize your worth. 1. Respect their time. When you show up on time, when you respect their schedule, you silently tell them, "Your life matters to me." Being consistent and reliable builds trust without needing big speeches. 2. Listen without interrupting. Silence isn't empty, it's powerful. When you listen carefully without jumping in, you show them that their feelings, ideas, and voice are valuable. That silence speaks volumes. 3. Keep your promises. Even small promises matter. If you say you'll do something, do it. Silent consistency is stronger than 100 I love yous without action. 4. Support their dreams. You don't always need to cheer loudly. Sometimes helping them take small steps toward their goals, and like sharing a resource or reminding them of their strengths, silently proves you believe in them. 5. Protect their peace. Not every fight needs your words. Sometimes walking away from unnecessary arguments shows more respect than winning the argument. Silence can protect love better than shouting ever could. 6. Small daily gestures. Filling up their coffee mug, leaving a note, or simply smiling when they walk into the room. These quiet gestures remind them they are loved and appreciated. 7. Respecting boundaries. When you don't push, when you give them space, you silently prove that you value their individuality. Respect builds a deeper connection than control ever could. 8. Standing by them in hard times. You don't need perfect words. Just being there, holding their hand, sitting in silence during their pain, is often the loudest declaration of love. 9. Working on yourself. The greatest silent action. Growing. Improving yourself. Emotionally, physically, spiritually. When you become the best version of you, your loved one sees your worth without you ever having to say a word. Love isn't proven by endless words, it's shown in the little silent actions repeated over time. These 9 quiet acts may not be loud, but they echo in the heart forever. So ask yourself today, am I silently proving my worth to the person I love? If yes, then you don't need to chase validation. Your actions already speak louder than words.